Our journey begins amidst bountiful mango orchards, where nature's sweetness ripens under the sun.
Skilled hands carefully select the finest mangoes, ensuring perfect ripeness.
Skilled harvesters carefully gather ripe mangoes, ensuring quality from the start.
The harvest begins its journey, carefully loaded for transport.
Each mango is carefully introduced to the production line, maintaining its pristine quality. A blend of the automated efficiency marks the beginning of their transformation.
Precision washing begins, preparing each mango for its journey.
Each mango is carefully introduced to the production line, maintaining its pristine quality.
A blend of the automated efficiency marks the beginning of their transformation.
Emerging pristine, ready for the next stage of transformation.
Every detail matters, ensuring purity from farm to table.
Each mango, perfectly cleansed, advances to its next destiny. On the sorting line, skilled hands meticulously prepare each mango.
Expert eyes scan, ensuring only the finest mangoes proceed to their next meticulous step.
Each mango undergoes stringent scrutiny, a testament to unwavering quality control. Now,
expert eyes scan, ensuring only the finest mangoes proceed to their next meticulous step. Each mango undergoes stringent scrutiny, a testament to unwavering quality control.
From raw harvest to precise categorization, every mango is treated with unparalleled care.
Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more.
From the line, sorted mangoes advance, ready for their specialized culinary transformation. Once peeled, each mango gently transitions to the next stage of its careful journey.
A new cycle commences, transforming raw fruit into a pristine base for our gourmet products. Every peeled mango undergo rigorous automated inspection to guarantee premium quality. Skilled hands meticulously feed the ripe mangoes, preparing them for the next stage of processing. The machine efficiently separates the succulent fruit from its pit, ensuring premium quality slices. Precision and speed define this critical step, transforming whole mangoes into perfect slices. Precision slicing transforms whole mangoes into uniform pieces, ready for the next stage. Each cut reveals the succulent, ripe flesh, ensuring premium quality. The vibrant colors in perfect forms speak to the mango's inherent quality. Every piece reflects meticulous attention, from fruit selection to final cut. From the golden yellow flesh, consistent shapes emerge, ready for preservation. These uniform mango slices will soon embark on their journey as pickled or dry delights.
In the brine kitchen, skilled hands prepare the crucial pickling liquid.
Each ingredient is chosen and added with expertise, crafting the ideal flavor.
Precious spices are carefully measured, infusing depth into every batch. Monitoring temperatures ensures consistent quality, a cornerstone of excellence.
The brine is complete, a perfect foundation for the pickling process.
From raw materials to refined liquids, every step is a testament to quality.
The brining process begins, ensuring flavor and preservation for these succulent mangoes. Dedicated workers ensure every mango slice is perfectly coated, vital for quality. Each tank holds tons of mangoes, all undergoing careful brining.
Every piece is carefully submerged, ensuring perfect brining.
Through careful brining, the mangoes develop their signature taste.
From belt to brine, a journey of transformation for these exquisite mangoes.
Meticulous care ensures the perfect pickling for every mango slice.
Sterilized to perfection, each jar ensures the ultimate preservation of our prized produce.
Precisely measured, the finest pickled mango slices fill each jar with vibrant flavor. Sealed with precision, each jar guarantees the lasting quality and freshness of its contents. Precision sealing ensures every jar of pickled mango retains its perfect quality. The distinct pop signifies an airtight vacuum seal, preserving freshness and flavor. Skilled American workers meticulously inspect each jar for seal integrity and perfection. Every step is carefully scrutinized, ensuring only the highest quality product reaches consumers.
Skilled hands meticulously prepare ripe mangoes for the drying process.
Speed and accuracy define the art of preparing mangoes for dehydration. Every tray is a testament to the dedication of the American workforce. Rows of ready trays await their transformation into delicious dried mango.
The careful hand of each worker ensures supreme product quality.
Keep the pace up. These look excellent.
The preparation area hums with quiet efficiency, a testament to coordinated effort.
Each rack a mosaic of golden perfection, ready for its next stage.
The dedication to perfection is evident in every single layer of mango.
Skilled American operators meticulously guide towering racks of perfect mangoes into specialized dehydrators.
Precision loading ensures optimal air circulation for consistent drying, a key to quality.
A heavy door seal, beginning the precise controlled drying process, crucial for premium dried mangoes. Experience the rich aroma as perfectly dried mango slices emerge, a testament to meticulous craftsmanship.
Each deep orange slice, soft and pliable, reflects our unwavering commitment to quality. Every batch undergoes rigorous checks, ensuring only the finest dried mango reaches you. Precision engineering ensures every jar is flawlessly branded, a testament to quality control. Each label is a mark of authenticity, ensuring consistent quality across every product. A continuous stream of branded jars signifies the high standards and unwavering consistency of production. High-speed automation ensures every succulent dried mango slice is perfectly packaged.
Nitrogen flushing preserves freshness, locking in the natural goodness of each slice.
Every step is meticulously controlled, ensuring premium quality reaches your table. Robotic precision ensures every jar is perfectly placed, a testament to modern efficiency. From precise robotic movements to human verification, Every step safeguards product excellence.
Robots and humans collaborate, optimizing packaging speed without compromising quality.
Each packed box signifies quality control and readiness for global distribution. Human expertise provides the critical final review, a cornerstone of our quality assurance.
Through advanced automation, our products are prepared swiftly and meticulously for their journey.
Each pallet, a symbol of quality and care, awaits its onward journey.
With precision, each pallet of premium mango products begins its journey from our facility to your table.
The meticulous journey of quality, from harvest to final delivery, is a testament to our commitment. Our dedication ensures every product reaches its destination in perfect condition, ready for enjoyment.